Best way to enhance low quality portrait to 4K high quality AI photo enhancer app better than Remini. You can try free as for now. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope all of you fine. Request for new viewers, subscribe. Yeah, you new ones. We have this type of interface on this web-based photo enhancer. This is the letsenhance.io. We have this type of interface. After sign up, you will get 10 free credits and this type of interface. As you can see, I already try it out and I'm really impressed. As you can see here, the quality, this is the Leonardo DiCaprio from the Titanic, and I have really low quality photos from the web. And you can see the results speaks itself. Upload your image by click on browse and select the model strong. This is the best one for portrait photos and make sure to tick that box enhance face. Now you have some auto and upscale or scale button. Click on it and choose 4 times. Click on enhance. This will take some time for processing, maximum 15 or 30 seconds. After processing done, click on your image and you can see the before and after comparison. Results speak itself by itself. You don't need to shout out again. I'm going to tell you that. You can see clearly after one looks much better, sharp, detailed. I specifically chose the old images, one from the Titanic and another from the Tenet, Robert Pattinson. Enjoy the side-by-side comparison before and after. This is the video for today. Quick, no BS, bus. Check my free video enhancer playlist to enhance low quality videos to 4K high quality in no time. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. This is the video for today. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in the new video.